go da bufonata. Akwang mama donete. Gini ko meredo. Obonyenu ko mejolodo. Ajamwani. Ajamada.
Help! 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 Hey, please, come and help me. Help! Help! Somebody please help me! Help! Help! Ma, please wake up. I don't know how to carry you. Wake up. Is anyone there? Please help me. Please. Hey, help! Please help me.
Bad woman. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Oh yeah. Don't you have no shame? Bad woman.
Don't die on us, please. Where is the doctor?
Our sister is very busy. Let me go to the bottle chat to help. I'm not mad. No. I'm not mad. What's wrong with him?
You're very stupid. Go call the doctor. Go call the doctor.
Who are you?
Doctor!
Hey!
My queen, oh my queen.
Where are they? Baba,
I did not see anybody. Oh, I did not see anybody.
Hey!
I did not see anybody. I did not see anybody. I see. Don't die, please. Hey, God. Hey, oh. Achike, open your eyes, Bikon. Achike, Bikon. Smile to mommy, Bikon. Hey, wait. I did not. Mr. Achike, please don't die. Don't. Mr. Achike, please don't leave me. Don't leave me. I beg you, don't leave me. Hey!
Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Yeah? Talk to mommy! Please! Hey!
What is it?
Somebody told me that Princess Brenda was knocked down by a car.
Who told you that?
I don't know her, but she told me everything that happened. Where is Oti? We need to tell him what happened. Where is him? Oti! Oti! Oti!
What's really going on? Never seen this kind of a thing happening in this palace.
Oti! 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 Oti, where are you?
Bad woman, bad woman. Oh yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Bad people, bad human. Oh yeah. They're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, bad woman. Sneaking around. Look what you've done. See what you've caused. Bad people, bad human. They're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Don't you?
Nurse, are you there? How is my son?
Doctor, how is the prince? Just talk to us, please.
I'm sorry. We lost him.
You what?
Mr. Chicken.
He just came back now and said Prince Achike is dead. Just like that.
Prince Achike dead? How? I even came to tell you that Princess Brenda was hit by a car.
What?
Yes.
Where is she?
Yeah, overheard. They have taken her to the hospital.
Which of the hospital?
I overheard them say St. Dominic's.
Open the gate! Open the gate for me now!
Please take it easy.
Open the gate!
Okay.
How could you make such a terrible mistake? How could you?
I feel like killing myself right now.
I am shattered. I am totally shattered. This is your worst mistake. How could you?
I wanted to cover our evil deed.
And you ended up killing my son. You ended up killing my son, Asa. I warned you. I told you to be careful. I told you to be careful, Asa.
I was. It was a mistake. I was.
No, you were not careful.
Please don't leave
You
me.
were not careful.
I need you now, please. He was my baby. He was my everything.
Oh no.
Who is that?
Oti. Oh, greetings, oh no.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Oh no, something really bad has happened.
Something bad. What is it?
Prince Achike is dead.
What? How? Was he involved in an accident?
Oh no, the queen brought him out. And he was asking her where she was taking him to. She did not say anything. She dropped out with him and came back with the sad news of his death.
Something must be wrong somewhere.
That is not all you know. Princess Brenda was knocked down by a car. As I'm talking to you now, she's lying unconscious in St. Dominic's.
What is this? What evil has befallen the royal household?
I don't even know how to tell the queen this one.
It's all right. Don't worry. I'll come to the palace.
All right, Fano. I have to take my leave now. Thank you.
The same rainmaker is still grinding on the stone.
Neme gini Omumemadu netenu wane megidi peyao. Obonye uwao. Asimonye uwao. Echiete.
What? Chike dead?
Honestly, my heart is heavy. Very heavy.
Oh. Oh. What happened?
Your brother was poisoned. Maybe someone poisoned him in Abuja before he came back. I am really shattered. Your brother is gone. My baby. My baby is gone. I need you back. Please, I want you to come back home. Mommy needs you.
Mom, just stop, okay? Stop crying. I'll be back soon, alright?
Thank you.
Be strong. Be strong, okay?
It's alright.
I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday, so why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah. Bad woman. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Yeah. Don't you have no shame?
Oh no. What is keeping the chills of you? You cannot keep us waiting, knowing fully well that this is an important meeting.
Well, I believe he will be here soon.
Here he comes. Told you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. Something came up that had to deal with. So how are you today? It's alright. You are here now.
Last week.
It is. I summoned this meeting because, as you know, our king is dead. And we have to do the needful. We have to make arrangements for us to be able to give our king a befitting burial.
Of course.
That is why I summoned the meeting.
Oh no.
Yes.
I will rather suggest we should leave it until Priest Obina's return, since he's coming home soon.
No. We cannot bury Achike and our king within the same month. So we have to bury Achike tomorrow so that we can plan properly to bury our king.
What if the people start asking questions since we are hiding the death of the king?
We will tell them that the king is still in coma somewhere abroad.
Yes.
I still think it's not a good idea.
I know. I think it's a good idea.
Okay.
Make preparations. There is still drink.
It just gone.
This Christian, I took it so much yesterday.
No, just take it.
No, this some other time.
No, now. I know you. I know you like food. How can you like food and not like drink? It's not jiving.
I know.
Take small.
Anyway, she insists.
I insist.
Let's have it.
I'll just give you small.
I'll just go. Nice food.
Good. So let me still give you small. Bim, bim, bim. 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 This is bim enough. But I need to drink too. Because if you leave here now and you start having stomach upset, you will start poisoning the drink. So let me take me also. Easy.
It's okay.
It's not much.
Good.
Please forgive me. I just hope God will not punish me for being part of this evil. God, please. I don't want to live with this guilt for the rest of my life. God, please. God, forgive me. Achike, I am sorry. Oh my God. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I wish. Please help me, God, help me. I am deeply sorry.
Oma, what is it?
Why would I cry? Tell me. Why would I cry? You don't know how much I loved Prince Achike.
You don't know how much I really cared about Prince Chike. Now that he's gone, I can't believe I would see him again.
So what I've been suspecting is true. Just pray you're not pregnant for him, because his mother will just kill you.
What nonsense are you talking about? What rubbish are you saying?
Rubbish indeed. Just wait for Prince Obinna to come back, so you can be creeping into his bedroom, just as you've been doing. Oma the turn by turn. Oma the creeper. You are crying. Lover girl. Lover Oma, you are crying. Creeper, you are crying. Excuse us for a moment.
What are you eating?
My princess, please, can I say something?
Yes, what is it?
My princess, I don't think the palace is safe for you, considering what happened.
You have a point, Oti. But God is with me. He will not allow anything happen to me.
I know, my princess. But my father has a saying that being cautious is not a sign of cowardice.
You are right. But the queen is too small to take my life. Or are you saying that the queen is bigger than God?
No, my princess. The queen can never be bigger than God.
Then take me home.
All right, my princess.
Ajamadaka Sabugiwe. Oh, 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 Nijuamo. Oh, 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 Nijuane. Iladinja. Iladinja, Madodinja. Anyamiri Baramuwe, oh, Baramuwe, oh, Baramuwe. Apagurumuwe, oh, Gurumuwe, oh, Gurumuwe. Even Maduneme, Neme Gidi Benya. Omombe Maduneme, no one, Neme Gidi Benya. Obonye, wow.
Oti.
My princess.
My father didn't come to see me. Why?
My princess, I cannot answer that question. I'm sorry.
What of Achike? Didn't he hear what happened to me?
I don't know, my princess.
Obonye wuwa asimonye wuwa echiete kakwanu onye no machi gini ka mere gị ijemenu ya kimekwuwe ajanwanyi wepụ aka na nja Ajamadu aka papuru wepụ na nja Oh lo 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 ijuwane lo 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 le 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 ijuwane Mwabe bezina do Biko bezina do Otako jidinja wanogadima Efinewe yantete na chiku na chulu yijiji Inanuwe Iladinja, Madodinja Iladinja, Madodinja
Queen, stop crying. You don't have to kill yourself too because of this. My queen, it's okay. It's okay.
Mother. Oma. What is going on?
You. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you.
Forgive me for what? What did I do?
You have killed your father. You caused the death of your father. He had a heart attack because of you. Hey. Because of you. You!
Wait. Let me get this clear. Are you saying that my father is dead?
Hey!
My father dead? Oti, is this true? Talk to me, Oti! Is this true? My father is dead! And you didn't tell me! You didn't tell me! No!
I am going to make this house miserable for you to stay. I will so deal with you that you will wish that you were never born in this family.
Why did you tell me? Why did you tell me that my father is
She has made me a widow.
No!
She has made me a widow.
No!
I don't want you to get sick, please, it's okay. I'll be a mama. She has made me a widow. You have made me a widow. Just let her go. I will make this house miserable.
No! Take me out of here! Take me to my room! My room!
My God. I've wasted my tears. My beautiful tears.
I need chicken pepper soup.
I'll make it right away.
Blend beetroot,
Okay.
red apple, and
Okay.
what again? And carrot for me, please.
I will get it for you.
To relax my nerves.
Relax. Let me go and make it.
Be quick.
The princess, it looked like it was poison.
Poisoned? By who?
I don't know. Even Achike died that same day of a suspected complication.
What? Achike is dead? Oh my God.
Excuse me. My princess, I will advise you get a new mate or your life will be in danger. I don't understand what is happening in this palace anymore, and I wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
Thank you.
If you want anything, just let me know. Excuse me.
Wait.
My princess.
Please, can I have pen and paper?
Ogoda fufuonata Akwangwe madunebe Gini komeredo Ogonyenu komejoledo Ajangwanyi
Take this to the
Is anybody at home? Is anybody at home? Oh no.
How are you?
Greetings, sir. I'm fine, sir. Princess Brenda said I should bring this to you, sir.
Is she back?
Yes, sir. She's back.
How is she faring?
Oh, she's better.
It's okay. Tell her that I received the message. And that I will treat it with the immediacy that it deserves. Okay?
Thank you very much, John.
Alright.
I will have to take my leave now, sir.
It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Come in. Yes.
I met him at home.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess.
Did he give you any message for me?
No, my princess.
Oti,
My princess.
I sent you to him because I trust you.
Thank you.
This should not be discussed beyond this bedroom.
My princess, I have been faithful from the time of your father. And aside the fact that I'm under oath, I'm a noble man.
I think you are. Thank you.
You're welcome, my princess. My princess, is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
I'll send for you when I need your help.
Alright. Well, let me go and get something to eat.
Be careful.
Thank you, my princess. I will. Thank you.
My queen, I am sure you are not conversant with the position of our tradition in respect of the escort required for our late king. We require 7 virgins to escort him to the land of our ancestors.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yes.
It chills us here.
My queen.
Is this not what we're supposed to discuss inside?
Oh yes, I know that.
Then let's go.
No, but as you can see, I have excused the guards. So none of them is here to hear us.
It's all right. Well, if that is what the tradition demands, who am I to stop it? I will do everything possible to make sure his burial is a success. He was my husband. He was my king.
Thank you for your understanding, my queen.
Thank you. My pleasure.
On that note, we will bring the girls here for you to watch over them. What I'm saying in effect is that we will bring them here as maidens, unknowing to them that we have an ulterior motive.
Really?
That's it.
Well, when am I expecting them?
My queen, it will be any time within the week. That's because we have to complete the payment to the man who is going to arrange to bring them.
Yes.
Okay, so is this something I can aid with?
No, we've already arranged for that. I'll take care of it.
Yes.
All right then, I'll be waiting.
Good. I must say that we appreciate your understanding. So, Iche,
yes,
I think we have to take our leave now.
Yes, my queen.
Okay,
Thanks.
and you said you don't want to take anything?
For now, we are fine, my queen. Yes.
Not even water?
Oh, maybe when next we come, we'll take something. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Bad people, bad humans. Oh yeah. They're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, bad woman. Sneaking around. Look what you've done. See what you've caused. Bad people, bad human. They're sticking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday. So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special?
Where do we find prejudice? I cannot put myself in such task. Looking for it. No, you are not saying anything.
He chose us here.
Oh no.
Can you give me time to go home and think about this?
Oh no, why go home? We can stay here and think about it together. For this is a delicate situation.
He chose us here.
Oh no.
They must not be virgins. I mean, there is no way Queen Asa will know that they are not virgins. She cannot smell virgins. Moreover, we are going to give her a resounding warning not to hurt them or maltreat them in any way.
Now I understand better.
Good.
In that case.
It's all right. Let's go.
Good morning, my princess. I got you tea.
I don't want tea.
Would you want me to make some noodles for you?
No.
Okay, is there anything you would want me to do for you?
You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, oh, yeah. Sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around, sneaking around. Look what you...
My queen, she has refused to take the tea. What else should I give her? Then give her something else to eat. Give her something else to eat. But my queen, you know there is something weird about this girl. She acts like someone who is possessed. Should I say something?
I said you should give her something else to eat. Do what I ask you to do. This is not the time for gossip.
What you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, see what you've caused. These are bad people.
What else should I give to that witch? Eh? Tea? No. Fresh juice? No. Smoothie? No. Even catfish pepper soup that everyone in this house likes, she will still not take it. Maybe, just maybe, strangling her with my bare hands will do.
Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around.
Now, both of you listen to me and listen carefully. All right?
Yes, sir.
As soon as you step your feet in that palace, you are virgins.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know what that means, right?
Yes or no?
Do you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What Odo is saying is that only virgins serve in the palace. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that you are expected to claim or act as one. In case anyone asks you of your virginity, tell them you are a virgin. Is that understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Now, we are going to pay you well for this assignment. The community will pay you every second week of every month. All right?
Yes, all right.
Good. Let's go in there. These are the girls that we discussed about. We've brought them. They are here now.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my queen.
Oh no.
Yes, my queen.
May I see you in private?
Of course.
Oh no.
Yes, my queen.
Did you say those girls are virgins?
Of course. We actually tested for their confirmation with Orasi. As a matter of fact, they are wearing special beads on their laps. And no one, I repeat, no one must see them.
I see.
Good. And one more thing. I will enjoin you to please talk to your guards and the drivers not to have anything to do with them. It is very, very important.
It's all right.
Good.
Leave that to me.
It's all right. Thanks.
Shall we? After you.
You look neat.
What?
I like neat people. You can get along easily.
Thank you, my princess.
Don't call me that. My name is Brenda.
Alright.
Do you know this kingdom too well?
A little too well.
Oh no. He told you something in private, right?
Yes.
careful.
Yes, I will.
You may go. Thank you.
Welcome.